Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mitchell. Listen, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a certain kind of email that is used to segment your email list. And so what we're going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be showing you like an essential email. There's only two kinds of emails you can send, and the email that I'm going to show you how to send today will tell you, basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to send this email, and if you have something that you would like to sell to somebody, this email is going to point out who is interested in what it is you have to sell and then who doesn't really care about it. And this is essential. So like in the past, if you've ever been scared to send emails or a lot of emails because you don't want to like annoy your email list, well, this is why we're segmenting. And because with segmenting, if they click on a link in your email to go and see the thing that you're trying to show them, they have behaviorally expressed interest in whatever it is that you have to show them. There is no reason that they would click a link or even open an email if it wasn't relevant to them in some way. And so this is going to be known, like if you send a series of these emails, this is known as a click sequence. But I'm going to show you how to write this in this video, and you can use this today to send this to your list. So like I said, if you have something you want to show your email list, send these kinds of emails, because this is going to dictate who wants it and who doesn't. Segmenting is such a phenomenal way to increase sales with emails, because again, you're not going to be sending emails to people moving forward who just don't want what it is that you have to show them. So the way that I'm going to do this video is going to be a little different than what I normally do, talking directly to the camera. Like I'm going to talk to the camera right now, but then I'm going to transition to my computer screen with the Word document open, and I'm going to just type out like the framework to this. I'm going to give you the unofficial framework because I think that that's easier to follow, and you'll get a better general understanding of how this is done. And then I'm going to try and come up with one right in front of you off the top of my head. So with that being said, I'm going to transition to the screen. Like right now, you should see like my magical editing skills. And so as you can see, I've got a Word document open and I've got some Tyler the Creator in the background. We are going to look at the click sequence, right? So the click sequence, and I'm going to make all this a little bigger real fast. So let me do this for you. So the click sequence, so you can read this like that. Click sequence. So the way that you're going to write the click sequence, or the way that this gets written, is basically, it's basically going to be like this. Hey name, right? So hey name, so hey Mitchell, I got this thing. All right, let's do this. Hey Mitchell, I got this thing. Hey Mitchell, I got this thing that's pretty cool. You can check it out here. So the reason why we're gonna say you can check it out here is we got, hey Mitchell, I got this thing. So let's say it's like a Facebook training, right? So hey Mitchell, I got this Facebook training that's gonna show you how to scale your ads in 3 different ways. You can check it out here. So hey name, here's the thing that I got. Here's my first call to action. It'll show you how to do this, or it'll do this for you, right? So this is the benefits, right? So it'll do this for you. So the reason why we're going to list the benefits, so it'll do this for you, is the benefits of watching this video or going and looking at whatever it is you want to show them, because we're trying to sell the click right now. And if we can convince them that whatever it is we have to show them is going to benefit them in some way, they're more likely to click on a link in your email to go and watch that. So it'll do this for you are going to be the benefits of what's inside of the video. So if you're looking to scale your ads 3 different ways, for example, I can show you how to vertically scale, how to horizontally scale, but either way of scaling is a method of making more money with your ads. And so a benefit to watching this training is, you could do a feature and a benefit. I'm going to show you 3 ways to scale your ads so you can make more money down the road. Like as an example, of course, we all want something fast, so I don't know if I would use down the road. And then you could say, again, check it out here, right? So you can check it out here. This is your second call to action, and then what's called the sign off, or like the sign off or PS, for example. So the sign off just makes it more personal. So by saying Mitchell at the very end, it just makes it seem like I personally wrote this email, and I did. But if you're sending this out to like an email list of hundreds or thousands of people, for example, if you put your name at the very bottom, it's going to seem more personal. Now, if you have a longer email, you can use a PS, and in the PS, you would just restate the whole thing, right? So you would just restate the whole email, but you would do so like in a condensed version. Hey, this video is going to show you how to scale your ads in 3 ways so you can make more money, right? So now, let's go down to a new page, and let's actually write one of these in front of you. So one of the things that I want to show you when it comes to writing an email like this is it doesn't have to be complicated. I'm going to show you 2 versions, right? So I'm going to write one in front of you that's very simple, and then I'm going to write one that maybe might be like a little more copy intensive. But when it comes to writing your emails, I'm going to encourage you to have fun when you do them, right? You don't want to send an email that's so like super serious because that's going to be harder on you mentally to try and come up with something, because you're going to be like, this email's got to be perfect. I'm telling you right now that if you can send a goofy email and you could think it's hilarious and it could be the stupidest thing in the world, but if you tell these people that whatever email you just wrote, you have this thing you want them to see, you give them a way to go and see that, which is usually like a link in the email, and then you tell them what it'll do for them, it's gonna work no matter. So you could literally just say something like this: hey Mitchell, right? So let's look at like my copywriting example, right? Hey Mitchell, let's say that, okay, so let's say for this example then, let's stick with the Facebook one, right? So let's pretend that I've just got a Facebook training that's gonna show you the new way to run Facebook ads, right? So yeah, so the new way to run Facebook ads, you can make sales the same day, you can do it for cheap, right? So $5 a day. And I'm using this as an example because this was something that I did run as ads in the past. So it would just be easier to show you this. So, hey Mitchell, let's do this. Facebook ads. And so here's what I mean by having fun. So, hey Mitchell, just recorded a video where I show you the new way to run Facebook ads, and here's where we're gonna say it's pretty sweet, right? So here's where we want to have some fun. So as you can see, this email right here, hey Mitchell, just recorded a video where I show you the new way to run Facebook ads. It's pretty sweet. You can actually do this starting with $5 a day, so it's hella cheap. Anyways, you can watch it here, Mitchell. So if somebody reads this email, as you can see, so it's hella cheap, there is no seriousness in this email at all. And I wrote this email like I'm directly having a conversation with somebody. And so one of the things that if you ever like took a training about like copywriting, for example, one of the things that they always teach is to write like you're having a conversation. And so as you can see, I'm talking like I'm directly talking to you. Now, you get better at this over time, but I can tell you from experience, this gets easier when you just don't care about what it is that you have to say. Now, you want to make your email legible, like you want to make it make sense, but as you can see, all of this is flowing so simply. It's pretty sweet. You actually do this starting with $5 a day. That's a benefit. So I'm going to show you the new way to run Facebook ads, and you can do this with $5 a day. So this would appeal to people who want to run Facebook ads but just don't think that they have the money for it, or think that Facebook ads are expensive, right? So it's hella cheap. Anyways, you can watch it here. So that would be a call to action. This would be call to action number 2, and I can actually link my first call to action right here. So I could make a link right here so they would know the new way to run Facebook ads, even if I didn't directly tell them to go and click on that link. If it's highlighted, they're gonna know that they can click on it, right? So it's hella cheap. Anyways, you can watch it here, Mitchell, right? And so I don't even know if I have to, like you could take this email right here, and we could, so if we wanted to make this particular email shorter without even having to rewrite anything, we could just do, we could do this, right? So you could just get rid of that. Hey Mitchell, just recorded, actually I would just recorded a new video. All right, now we just recorded a video where I show you the new way to run Facebook ads. You can watch it here, and then you can really just send that if you want to, but hey, we want to put like a benefit in it. So just recorded a video where I show you the new way to run Facebook ads. You can make sales, let's do you. So I just said that we were gonna, so I added in a new one. I know I said that we could delete some stuff, but I always found that it would be better just to add stuff in. So just recorded a video where I show you the new way to run Facebook ads. You can make sales literally the same day your ads get approved if you follow what I show you. That would be a benefit to watching. You can watch it here, Mitchell. And so that's what I want to show you when it comes to this email. I'm gonna end the video off here. This is how you write a click sequence. So I know I just gave you one example of how to write this, but I hope that in this video of showing you how simple it is to send this kind of email and the demonstration that I put in front of you, that this isn't complicated. It's super easy. And again, what we're doing here by sending an email is we're just trying to get people to click on a link so we can segment them into two different lists. Hey, I might want this. Hey, I'm not interested in doing this. And so if you want more ways to make sales with email fast, I'm going to leave a link down below where I've got a free training. I've got a couple other options you can watch too, such as, again, the new way to run Facebook ads. And then if you're interested in writing copy, I have a $7 copywriting course, which is phenomenal. People love it. I'm going to leave that down below as a link as well. But with that being said, this is the click sequence email. Send this to your email list when you want to go and promote a new product, because this works. And I just showed you, this is super easy to do. And this will make you sales, because segmenting is ultimately how you can make sales faster, because you're not going to be sending emails to your whole list trying to push an offer that most of them aren't going to want in the first place. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.